Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore.
Okay, hi guys, good evening. It's a new day, so let's just say that it's a beautiful day. So it's 4:24 p.m. now, and today is Wednesday, that is 10th of September. I have not been feeling good, तो मैंने सोचा कि ऐसा क्या हो गया? Why am I not feeling good? And then I realized मैंने अच्छे से पानी नहीं पिया, and I also didn't work out, and I didn't eat healthy also. So now what we're going to do? I don't want to waste my day. I don't want to feel guilty later. तो मैं जाऊँगी walk में. I'm going to go alone, and yeah, I'll come after an hour. घर में मैं आऊँगी after an hour, क्योंकि एक hour के लिए मैं walk करूँगी. Even if 10,000 steps नहीं होता है, I'm sure 5,000 steps तो हो ही जाएगा. So yeah, let's get ready and let's go. Okay, before going, I also want to have a cup of coffee, क्योंकि सुबह से मैंने coffee भी नहीं पिया. Another reason why I'm feeling so grumpy. So we are going to have coffee, and yeah, let's get this started. And I have a very exciting sub package coming, so we'll unbox that also later. I'm so excited, so yeah. Okay, so I am going to make instant coffee because I don't want to use my machine right now. Also, I don't want इतना dark coffee, तो this will do. वैसे ये अगर मैं ज़्यादा डालूँगी तो बहुत ज़्यादा dark हो जाएगा. This is another favorite of mine. I really like it. Smells amazing, guys. I think I am going to take only 1 spoon. I think coffee was one of the reason why I was so grumpy. One of the reason, one of the biggest reason actually. Guys, I'm so sleepy, but we are going for a walk.
Change is constant, learning to flow. All the unknown, lemons thrown. May look different from what you've dreamed. Colors and contrast making it art. What if happy can be built? Turning into all that's good. Lucky I learned what lemons can do. Lucky it led me here with you. Lucky.
Okay guys, so I just took a very good shower, and I also ordered my groceries because I want to make dinner now. And yeah, let me show you all कि मेरे पास क्या क्या है. I am going to make shakshuka for dinner. Shakshuka. I have made this पहले भी, so I know what I'll be needing. जब मैंने ऐसे ही बोला, at that time I realized कि मैं garlic order करना भूल गई, but it's fine. It will work without garlic also. So I have tomato here. I'll be needing tomato, chilies, and bell pepper. And I'm going to make my own version. मेरा आदत है, like I do watch a lot of recipes, लेकिन मैं इतना फॉलो नहीं करती हूँ. So yeah, let's make dinner. And I also have a very exciting unboxing to do that we'll do while the tomatoes are getting cooked.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know.
Okay, so I am going to skip this chilies क्योंकि यहाँ already है and this also.
Figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Guys, so I wanted a projector for a very long time, so let's unbox it. जितने लोग भी ना ऐसा वीडियोस बना रहे थे like cheapest projector ऐसा वैसा, so yeah, I checked all of them and then I realized कि इतना भी सस्ता नहीं लेना चाहिए. अगर 2000 ऐसे का projector लेके what if it doesn't last you, right? So I decided to get I think this was for 6800 something and yeah, it looks like this. I'm so excited. I don't even know कि इसे कैसे set करते हैं. So dinner बनाने के बाद फिर मेरे को पूरा check करना पड़ेगा YouTube में कि इसे कैसे set करना ही. And I'm very excited, guys. Okay, so I have one remote here and one cable here. And there's another cable. Oh, it's not that heavy also. While my dinner is getting cooked, let's go and set this up. I'm so excited. I finally have this. Like, मैं कितने महीनों से ये ऐसा wish list में रखा था. Finally, yay!
How's he holding up?
Good morning, guys. It's a new day, so let's just say that it's a beautiful day. So I am wearing these eye patches because मेरे फ्रिज में पड़ा हुआ था कब से, तो मैंने सोचा कि आज यूज़ कर ही लेते हैं. And it's your way, the way you want to wear it, क्योंकि ना for the longest time मेरे को यही कन्फ्यूजन हो रहा था कि आई पैचेस का ये साइड इस साइड होना है या इस साइड होना है. सो आई गॉट टू नो दिस थिंग. तो मैंने सोचा कि आप लोगों को भी शेयर कर दूँ बिकॉज आई एम श्योर यू गाइस ऑल्सो गेट कन्फ्यूज ऑफन, राइट? लाइक ऐसा पहनना है या वैसा पहनना है. सो इफ़ यू आर टारगेटिंग पफिनेस एंड डार्क सर्कल देन यू हैव टू वेयर इट like I have wore it, and if you're targeting fine lines plus wrinkles then you have to wear the other way. So that's the thing. वैसे भी आपका ही आँख है, आपका ही शक्ल है, आपका ही आई पैचेस है, so it's your wish the way you want to wear it, so don't fall in this trap. So I'm going to keep these eye patches for a while, like for 10 minutes, and then I will make myself a cup of coffee and I'll also journal. I'll write my to-do list also. Then I also have to make brunch for myself, and I'm also planning to go out today, like solo date kind of, where I want to sit in a cafe and edit from a cafe. So yeah, let's see. जो भी होगा I will update you all. Let's make coffee and brunch. Okay, so for brunch I am going to make oats. मैंने ये oats बहुत पहले मंगवाया था, बहुत पहले मतलब 2-3 महीने पहले, and I didn't eat it also. Like मैंने खाया ही नहीं. I think मैंने मुश्किल से एक बार ही खाया होगा, but I genuinely love oats. So we are going to make oats today. इतने टाइम बाद oats खाऊंगी. I'm making my oats with water. You can make it with milk also. I've seen people make it with milk only. मैंने बहुत कम लोगों को देखा है water के साथ बनाते हुए. Okay, so here I have my oats. Let's mix it all and then let's do the try taste. Taste try. I don't know, something is wrong with me. Taste try. I mean, let's just give it a try. First bite. So good. Okay guys, so I was editing few videos, like I have few videos to edit, तो मैं वही edit कर रही थी, and I also need to do voice over now, but construction चल रहे है, अभी थोड़ा सा रुक गया है, तो वही है, समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि क्या करूँ. एंड ऑल्सो आई एम गोना बी एडिटिंग दिस व्लॉग जो मैं अभी फिल्म कर रही हूँ. मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि मैं ये व्लॉग कल ही डाल दूँ. Okay guys, so I am done with the voiceover and now I want to get ready because I am going to be working from a cafe. I do have a lot of videos to edit, so yeah. If I'll be honest now, मेरे को blush कहाँ लगाना है, क्या करना है वो भी नहीं पता. I just do it because एक डायरेक्ट मैं स्किन में ऐसा एक चमक सा आ जाता है, that's why. Without blush also I'm okay, but without my lip tint I won't go out because I look so dead. Like अभी देखो मैंने ये लगाया है, but also I look so sad. But now when I apply this, मेरा शक्ल अलग ही हो जाएगा. Look at it guys, this is my favorite lip tint. It was out of stock for the longest time, so I'll link it in my description box. You guys can go and check it out. It's from Amazon. Like I got it from Amazon, but this is a very good Korean brand, I think, Romand. So I'm all ready now. Let's pack my bag. Okay guys, so I am back to my apartment and let me show you all what I got from Blue Tokai. I got myself a packet of coffee. इतने टाइम से मेरा बाहर जाना ही नहीं हो रहा था तो मैंने कॉफ़ी भी नहीं लिया था. This is the one that I got. I love Blue Tokai का कॉफ़ी. और ना Blue Tokai का कॉफ़ी ऐसा मशीन में भी बहुत अच्छा बनते हैं. Like सेम टू सेम बनते हैं, जैसे कैफ़े में मिलते हैं वैसा सेम मिलते हैं. So I got this one. लास्ट टाइम मैंने अलग ट्राई किया था, so this time I am trying this one. इसमें लिखा है कि bitter sweet, bold and bitter. Excited. And also look at the color green guys. इतना प्यारा कलर है ना green. I love green. And something very exciting guys, I received my camera I think. जब मैं ब्लू तोकाई में था ना तब मेरे को एक ऐसा कॉल आया था और कह रहा था कि आपका पैकेज, एंड आई वाज लाइक आज तो मेरा कुछ भी पैकेज डिलीवर होने के लिए है ही नहीं. आई थिंक किसी ने मेरे को PR भेजा है. आई थॉट लाइक दैट. एंड यू नो व्हाट गाइस, मैंने अब भी मेरा अमेज़ॉन चेक किया है तो इट्स शोइंग अराइविंग टुडे. दैट मीन्स यही होगा. सो एक्साइटेड गाइस, लेट्स अनबॉक्स दिस. इतना ऑनलाइन में देख के लुक एट दिस गाइस. ओह माय गुडनेस, आई होप कलर सही है. पर ये ऐसा खुला क्यों आया है? ओह माय गुडनेस, सो क्यूट. Hi guys, so I am in middle of getting ready. Now you guys may be thinking अभी तो आप आए थे, अभी कहाँ जा रहे हो? So the thing is, my friends they want to go for laughing and I'm also really craving it and I want to eat something. I'm so hungry. मेरी शक्ल देख के नहीं लग रहा होगा but I'm seriously so hungry. जब मैं ब्लू तोकाई में गया था तब I had like low calorie drink. मैंने सोचा कि I'll have पूरा low calorie क्योंकि कल I will be having a lot of chunks. But my friends they want to go for laughing, so I won't say no क्योंकि I love laughing. So yeah, let's go. This is my outfit, very simple.
Is constant, learning to flow. All the unknown, lemons thrown. May look different from what you've dreamed. Colors and contrast making it art.
Hi guys, so I'm here to do an outro. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. अगर आपको ये video अच्छा लगा then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and yeah, comment this emoji for this video, and I'll see you all very soon with my next video. Bye bye, take care till then.